Because it was rolled up into a ball. It was rolled up. Mom, over there at the tower thing, the other way is a tower, but at the tower thing, it says that there's snakes there.
The tower?
Yeah. No, not in the tower, but there's snakes like somewhere in that area.
Which one?
Oh, look, a butterfly.
Lala, you should join the reflections. There's a lot of good pictures that you can take here.
Look, atin yung pang dekorasyon.
I know, di ba?
Hindi naman pwedeng magyawid.
Grabe siya. Of course.
Ilagay ko sana doon sa yung jar na yun.
Pero ang ganda ano, yeah. It's true. Ganda niya. Ow! Ow! It's pokey. Really? Why don't you just leave it alone, right?
Aray ko.
Bakit kailangan ko pang hawakan?
Sabi sa'yo, don't touch
Ay no, ginanon-ganon pa kasi yung tuloy.
Curious.
O, nailan na ako ha. O, ano yan? What is that?
Did you guys hear that? Did you guys hear that?
Uy, uy.
Bird?
No, it wasn't a bird. It was something crying in the bushes.
Ay! Ako, yan na. Yan na. I'm really hoping for a cougar encounter.
I'm not.
It's only at BYU.
Oh, you lost?
Oh, look at
Look where the
that.
pond is at.
pond is right
Blackbird
here.
pond.
This is Black
Oh,
Bird Pond.
look at that mosquito right there.
Yeah, we're way up there. Blackbird Pond.
That is so pretty.
So we're on the east side of the whole place, not on the west side. We're not anywhere. See, we're on this trail. There's the Blackbird Pond.
Okay,
We're on this trail here. We're not anywhere over here.
okay. We'll find it on our way back. Because it seems like it's on our way back. I have a feeling that...
Well, we gotta go back that way, but then we gotta cross this way
Again,
just to get back
yeah.
to the bear den.
Yeah. Wonderful wetlands. Saan may roses?
Yung ano lang, hindi pala rose.
Oh, those things
Rose
are
nga!
sharp.
It's a wild rose!
They tear your skin apart.
Yeah, rose. Di ba, tingnan mo yung ano niya.
Tapos na ano.
Yung leaves niya. I think may kumagat na sa akin.
Ito nga, nakailan na.
Oh, I'm surprised. Usually akong nauunang kinakagat.
We were going back.
Wow, they actually put some asphalt up here.
Where?
The sidewalk. Look at
Is it? Oh, yeah.
Yeah, but ano.
You actually had the time to do this. Walk slowly, maybe you see a snake.
Hmm. Wah, ko na.
Python. Cobra. Python versus anaconda.
Kagandang kon nito.
Any connie, right?
May pan kasi kaya may lamok.
Oh yeah, where there's water. Parang sa tiyo.
So, we're going back now?
No.
We're barely on the east side of the tent.
What's going on?
Parang si Ron.
And we see something.
I know, stop there.
Telepathic eyes.
Sino umiyak parang si Ron?
See a ghost, Henry?
Ano na? Visitor center.
Uh-oh.
Kanina pa yung tower na yan, wala naman akong nakitang tower.
See a ghost.
Yun na yung
Yun na hindi yung pinag-anuhan natin, yun na yung tower.
tower. Hindi naman tower ka, baka in-expect mo.
Ay, yeah, parang yung castle ganon. Yung may pa-castle effect ganyan.
Picnic grove doon.
He's requesting for a rock.
Rock. Yeah, we'll see. We'll go back there.
It's like this is leading back all the way back to the building.
Yeah.
It does?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then we go back again 2 more times.
Yung isang route pa doon nga.
Yung bears den, yun ang hanapin natin.
Saan ang kon?
Parang nasa lang kami, Kapulaan, ganon. 'Di ba? Naghahanap kami ng kung anong mahanap yung pwedeng ibonsai. Ganon.
Ang routing.
Yan, naghahanap ng ikakayo. Yan, Arizona siguro. Arizona tayo ibati milangan ni Chan Common.
Prepare mo yung mahal.
Kailangan natin ng pick up kung hiramin natin yung kay Juan.
Wah, hiramin mo talaga. Grabe siya.
Kailangan nagkuha.
Pwede ba yung Honda? Hilain niya yun.
Sabi niya malaki.
Hindi pwede. Dapat yung talagang dakkel nga.
Ma'am,
Oh.